Nina also mentioned this, the difference between different AIs. So today we're in the narrow AI space. We are not close to general intelligence or AGI. That's thinking, I mentioned the Turing test. That's when we start to have computers that really exhibit human-like qualities. Most experts believe that we are many, many years away. Particularly, those of you who were here last year and were here for our keynote, Gerd Leonard, he believes that we're at minimum 10 years away, most likely 20 to 30 years away from generative AI being accessible to the public. He also describes generative AI today, or narrow AI, my new favorite word, dilettante. And you got to say it with the roll. So all these CEOs believe that they have to incorporate generative AI or AI in general, or modify their business models within the next 2 to 3 years to remain relevant. So back to the jobs impact. As Nina said, your job and knowledge workers will not be replaced. Well, at least in the next 5, 10 years at minimum. But they will change, and it'll change in a way that you're probably not thinking of. You will be replaced by someone who knows how to use generative AI to be more productive. And what I think is going to happen, and we'll show you how to be productive with some of the demos that we have coming up. There's going to be 2 things that all of us are going to start to use to evaluate our employees. So when you sit down annually or quarterly and you do your performance evaluations, there's going to be 2 new basic criteria that you're going to have to incorporate. Number 1 is how well that individual uses AI to be better at their job, be more productive, answer customer questions more quickly, and make the company more profitable. And then you're going to have to evaluate what's their difference from an AI. What is their critical thinking something that is beneficial, and coach that along so they can be better for you using AI and more quicker. This whole area is spawning a new role in organizations today. Really interesting. It's called prompt engineering, or AI whisperers. And this article on the bottom was from Time last week. So prompt engineers are being offered upwards of $300K annual salary to start. So think of folks that are really good at storytelling, masters of the English language, attorneys that know how to interrogate to get the answers that they need. This is a science right now in how to deal with AI, so that's changing very quickly.